Hey guys, welcome back to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can register for online banking account on Standard Chartered Bank. If you want to have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details, payments, fund transfers from anywhere and anytime online, then registering for your online banking account could be the best decision. The process to register for your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. On the search bar, search for sc.com/hk/. Now, once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto the login option here, and from it, choose the online banking login. Now, you'll be taken to the login page of Standard Chartered online banking account. So go and tap onto the Register Now option here. By tapping on it, you'll be directed to the registration page for online banking account on Standard Chartered. So if you choose to log in with the ATM or debit card, then go and tap onto the option 1. And if you want to register with a credit card, then just go and tap onto the option 2. Once you have made your choices, go and tap onto the next button. Now on this page, you will have to go and agree to the terms and conditions set by the bank. Then go and tap on accept. Now to get started with the registration process, go and tap onto the language and select your language. Now select the account type that you want to register your account with. Now enter your account number in the text field and enter your card PIN number in the text field here. Once done, tap on next. And once you land onto the page, you will have to verify your mobile number. In order to do that, you will have to enter the one-time password or the verification code sent to your mobile number by the bank. Now you will land onto the page where you have to create a login credentials. So go and create a unique username for yourself. Then enter a strong password for your account. Once done, follow the prompts and you will have successfully registered for online banking account on Standard Chartered. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.